friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see some 30 words in German. So this will be part 1 and in part 2 we will see 30 more words. Okay. So why to learn all these words? Because it increases your vocabulary and you will start making sentences using these words. So it is very important to learn words. Okay. So we'll start with the video. Now first we'll see few time related nouns, okay, and then we'll continue with other words. Now the first one is Jahr, J-A-H-R, Jahr meaning year. Then comes Monat, Monat is month. Woche, Woche meaning week. Then Tag, Tag is day. Then comes Stunde, Stunde is hour. Then Minute, Minute is minute. So it is very much similar to English. Sekunde, Sekunde meaning second. Okay, so this is clear. Now comes calendar, calendar meaning calendar. So again this is very much similar to English. Then Uhr, Uhr meaning o'clock and Uhr meaning clock also, the thing, object. So first one means how we say in English, no, it is, suppose it is 10 o'clock. So it will be in German es ist 10 Uhr. So in that case also this is Uhr can be used in the place of o'clock. And the object wall clock, in that case also we can use Uhr. So these are some time related nouns. Now we'll see few verbs which can be used in day-to-day life, very common or basic verbs. So first one is common, common meaning to come. Now we'll see this, its example. Suppose you want to say I come from India. You can say Ich komme aus India. Then the next one is gehen. Gehen is to go. So you can say Ich gehe jetzt, meaning I go now. Jetzt is now. So in that case also gehen can be used. So kommen, then gehen, then lachen. Lachen meaning to laugh. So we can make a sentence like Sie lachen viel, meaning they laugh a lot. In that case lachen can be used. So then können. Können is can and sehen. Sehen meaning to see. So we'll make one sentence using these two verbs. So that will be kann dich sehen, meaning he can see you. Is he, and kann meaning can. So we have used the form of können here. Kann dich sehen. Sehen is to see. So both the verbs we have used in a single sentence. Okay. So these are some verbs, very common verbs or basic verbs which can be used in day-to-day life. Kann dich sehen, meaning he can see you. Now we'll see few adjectives and which are antonyms also. Now white, W-E-I-T, white. White meaning far and nah meaning near. So these are the antonyms. Then gut is good and very much similar to English, and schlecht is, it is bad. Okay, again this is an antonym of good and schlecht. Then comes gross. Gross is big and klein is small. Again these are the antonyms. Then einfach. Einfach is easy and schwierig. Schwierig meaning difficult, right? Again antonyms. And schön. Schön is beautiful. So this is also one adjective. So we have seen few adjectives here, right? Then very common words we'll see like ja. Ja is yes. Nein, it is no. And nicht, it is nothing. Then dok. Dok is sure. So these are the very common words which are used in day-to-day life. So today we have seen some 30 words. It was a mix of some nouns, some verbs, some adjectives. Okay, so that's all for today, friends. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye bye.